Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Bitfinex application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store, depending on your device. And once it is opened up, you can tap on the search button and then type in Bitfinex to begin your search. Once you find the Bitfinex trading app, you can tap on it and you will see the install button. Tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the Bitfinex app on your device. Just wait until the process is completed, and once it is done, you will see the open button. You can then tap on this button to open up the app, and once it is opened up, you can log into your existing account or sign up to create a new one to start using the Bitfinex trading app on your smartphone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Bitfinex trading app on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.